If you want a hands-on training video, right here is your hands-on training video. This is my student Zack up in here, and we're learning how to get a CDL. We're learning how to drive. We're hands-on. So watch this video. Well, we ended up stopping for fuel over there in Effingham, and it's really loud. My student is doing some driver's side fuel area. So, best place to do pre-trip, I guess, is in a fuel bay. But hey, he's practicing it, so that's what counts. He's using any available time he has to do pre-trip. That's good. Real good, real good. So of course, every time I go to Effingham, I have to stop at the TA in Effingham because they have a Dunkin' Donuts. So we're on our way to get some Dunkin' to wake us up for the next of our load. Used to be a bad energy drinker, like one a day, all the time, energy drinks. But I've kind of changed to coffee here lately. This is my student Zack. Zack's over here gonna go get him some coffee too. Yeah. He was kind of like, where are we going? Because I told him, I said, make the right, then go right into the truck stop across the street.
Yeah, I thought you meant at the light.
Yeah, I did not mean at the light, I meant the truck stop. Because we're gonna get some Dunkin'. Pizza smells good, and they don't even have no pizza out over there. Pizza place. Bye.
Daddy will come with you. Come on. Come on.
Dunkin'. That's what I came here for.
These other guys get their donuts real quick. Let's go say.
We stopped at a Love's for a 30-minute break over here, and I pretty much just helped them set up for a straight line back, and pretty much just let them do it. I gave them a tip here or there. Hey, we need to move the head. Which way do we need to move it? Just minor stuff like that, but pretty much he did it. What do you think of that backing?
Not too bad. Much easier with the lines there.
Yeah, way easier with lines there. I was cold out there, and I was kind of shaky. I'm going to watch that video and see how shaky it is before I put it on here, because if it's too shaky, I don't know if I want to post it or not. How was your driving today?
I'd say it was pretty good.
Yeah?
Only made the buzzer go off once in the morning, but...
The buzzer's not an issue. The buzzer's not bad at all, but... Yeah, we're here on a 30-minute break, and... You know, he's been driving all day. He's been doing great. So take our 30-minute break right here and then get moving again. I'm going to go inside, use the restroom, and then I'm going to come back and maybe make me a sandwich or something like that. But we're doing great. He just backed it into a spot pretty much by himself. Zack's over there eating his high protein hot dogs over here.
With bread.
Healthy eating habits over here on his 30-minute break.
Hey, it's whole wheat bread.
Whole wheat bread.
Or 15 grain, I don't know, some kind of grain bread.
So that's what he's doing, is eating his hot dogs right now. So y'all seen what Zack was eating. This is what I'm eating. Buffalo chicken sandwich with melted cheese on it. Some good stuff. That's what I'm eating. Alright, we're stopping for the day over here in Rogers, Arkansas. How's it been?
Still pretty good.
Man, he was driving like a boss today, weren't you?
I tried.
I don't think he made the buzzer go off, but this morning, really. What you think of Arkansas so far?
Rocky.
Lots of rock. He liked the scenery. He thought it was cool how the road was blown up or cut out to make the road through it. And you know, we're doing hands-on driving is what we're doing, and we're doing hands-on driving, backing. You know, we're getting him the experience he needs for his CDL test to get his CDL. So he's doing great though. So I mean, like, you know, this is what Prime does, is we put somebody in a truck and let them get real world experience. And once you learn how to drive it safely with a qualified trainer or instructor like me, then we teach you all the steps that you need to be safe. We teach you how to check the mirrors. And we started off this morning kind of, I was like, you're not doing a good lane change, you need to look at the mirrors more. He started looking at the mirrors more. His lane changes completely changed around. He did everyone perfect after that. But you know, it's all hands-on here at Prime, so you know, we're learning. And we're in Arkansas. We're gonna have to get up early in the morning to finish this load.
Super early.
Let's see how many miles you did today. 557 miles. We got 20 miles left to the 90, but it's not till 5 in the morning tomorrow, and it's almost 5 o'clock. So I mean, we got 10-hour break, puts us at 3 in the morning. So 3 in the morning we can drive again, and we got 20 miles, so we can leave out of here probably like 3:30, get there by 4. You know, that's an hour early. That's perfect. So you believe you did 557 miles today?
Feels like it.
Feels like it. He's tired. I had to break out my seat cushion for him, you know.
Yeah, it still hurts.
Still hurts. But that was a long day. 557 miles in 10 hours and 9 minutes. So that's pretty good. Somebody out there that's gonna be doing his TNT is gonna make a lot of money with him. And you're gonna be running hard to finish TNT so he can get his own truck. He's gonna have to do 50,000 miles with the TNT after he finishes the PSD process with me. So there's still daylight out. He's about to knock out some more pre-trip, and we're gonna get some sleep tonight and get some rest. And I don't even know what truck stop this is. What's the name of this?
I don't know. It's like an old.
Has a 24-hour restaurant, daily specials.
Burrito bar.
A burrito bar. They got a burrito bar in here. I'm definitely checking out a burrito bar.
Heck yeah.
It might be to die for. Like, that's one thing I miss about living in Texas, is the burritos were way better and the tacos were great. Gotta have some good tacos. Man, tacos hit the spot. Well, I'm out of here for the day. You know, hit the like button, subscribe, you know, leave some comments, enjoy the video, and there's more to come. So like, if you're new, if you're thinking about coming out here to Prime and you want to see what's really going on out here, do like the whole process that we're going through. I'm taking people on the whole process of PSD. So you know, you're gonna be able to see, hey, how much he drove, like how much experience is he getting, what kind of training is it, how hard is it, stuff like that. How hard is it?
I wouldn't say it's, I mean, it's hard, but it's not as hard as I would have thought.
The driving, how hard is the driving?
Definitely harder than a car.
A lot of more safety in it.
Oh yeah.
How about the pre-trip?
You know, I thought that was going to be harder, but it's, you know, once you learn, like you said, the engine compartment, you basically know most of it.
Yeah, it's the same parts in the other areas. A lot of people, hey, don't get overwhelmed by the pre-trip. If you start out with engine compartment and you know it like the back of your hand, it's going to make the next part easier to do, and so on. So, I mean, like, don't let it overwhelm you. And the backing, what you think of the backing? You've been backing?
Still got a lot to get a hang of, you know, using my mirrors more. I know I have to focus on where the head of the trailer is.
Yeah,
for sure. But I'll get there.
Definitely he will. He's going to be another CDL holder soon. Looking for a TNT trainer. He'll be pretty soon. So if you're watching this video and you're a TNT trainer and you end up with him, you're going to be lucky. I think anybody that ends up with my students are lucky, but that's just my opinion. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below, and be safe out there.